Worried about the Uxinit Library DLL causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. Before we get started with Uxinit Library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Uxinit Library, the User Experience Initialization module. It manages the localized UI setup during Windows 10 and 11 updates or initial OOBE. It handles the transition between the kernel-mode boot environment and the user mode visual shell. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Unlike Windows core files, Uxinit Library DLL belongs to the specialized Localized User Experience Initialization environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Uxinit Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Uxinit Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If Uxinit Library is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Uxinit Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.